Hi guys, Thursday the 15th of September. Welcome to Wild and Wellbeing with Neil. Tonight we are at Fleetwood Nature Reserve. Gonna have a quick wander around it. It's a bit windy, to be honest. Just see what we can see. Have a quick look on the estuary. Someone's bright coming through there then. And after we've had a quick wander around, we will take a trip quickly over to Rossall Beach and try and take in sunset. Nice clouds in the sky tonight. It makes for a nice cloudscape. Just have to see what happens. It's a bit breezy out here tonight, but straight out of the car, a nice stunning view straight over to the trough. Right over the estuary, right into the trough of Bowland. Beacon fell out that way and stuff like that. Really clear night tonight. As you can see, it is very, very bright and very cloudy, so hopefully we'll get that captured sunset for us. Just walking up to the lakes now. Bridge goes across the top of them. Looking in the lake on the left, doesn't seem to be much on it, to be honest. Have a look on the one on the right. The lake on the right's got a bit more action on it. Mallards, swans, some more hens. Sandwich terns there, taking off by the looks of it. Swans are stunning, absolutely stunning. Oh, you're like wondering what the white duck is. I'm reliably informed that the white duck there in all these other ducks is basically what is a result of a lot of mixed breeding. Let's say that. Got another one here, quite cocky, it's coming right up to me. Very strange markings on that one. Through the nature reserve. I'm just gonna drop down onto the track out of the wind. Stunning cloudscape that. There's not much doing, to be honest. This wind's killing it. See that swallow flying around. Other than that, there's not much here, to be fair. Look at the wrecks in the distance. Shown you them before. Obviously, tide's out. Could get to them, but I've only got time, to be honest. I'll get back in the car, scoot back up to Fleetwood, and see if we can catch a sunset. Sounds like a plan to me. See, it is a bit windy tonight. Turbines going round like no tomorrow. Flying round, quickly stopped. So my camera can zoom in, unfortunately, but on that kestrel up there, hovering over the tip. Stunning bird. Shame I can't get up close to it, to be fair. See, flap, 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 hovers, looking for prey, mice, voles, rats. Like I say, it's a shame I can't get close to it, really. Right, let's go and try and get sunset. So we've made it to Sea Cadet car park. Very breezy outside. We're going to get out, have a look at sunset, take a walk down to Rossall Point watchtower, I think. And I think we'll end it there. We'll see what we can find. It's a bit windy though, so I'll apologise now for the sound. So we're just walking on the path behind the dunes to the right hand side of the golf course. A little bit less wind. So yeah, final destination, the watchtower. We made it to Rossall Point watchtower, where the Coast Guards are. Also where I do a bit of my volunteering as well for the bay. Me and my wife volunteer. Yeah, basically we're here. I'll pop sunset. It's going to get very windy in a minute. We're just sheltered by the building. View on a clear day like today, right over Barrow, Isham, the lakes. Really clear day. Some white light in the distance. Well, unfortunately, that is the best of the sunset. Dipped behind that cloud on the horizon, very windy. I do know, and I apologise. There's nothing we can do about Mother Nature, is there? Seagulls. So we've just come to lighthouse opposite North Euston. Going to take a quick look over the bay, and then I think we're going to call it a night. Just looking back at the other lighthouse from Lower Lighthouse, and in all honesty, I never knew it actually worked. I thought it was just there, if that makes sense. I didn't realise that the light actually worked on it still. So as we take one last look over the bay, the sunset, Barrow, that concludes another Well Done Wellbeing with Neil. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you do, please like and subscribe to the page. What I will do at the end of the video is post a few photos from the NJ photography page. So if you like them, I'll click a link under there as well, so you can have a look at them. Like I say, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.